How to switch accounts on Temu. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can switch accounts in Temu. Firstly, on your device, open App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Temu app. Now check for updates that may be available for the app. If there's an update option available, then click on it to update your app. If there are no updates available, go back to your homepage. From your homepage, navigate to the Temu app and open it on your device. In Temu, make sure you are logged in to your account. From the bottom panel, go to You tab. Here you will see your profile. Now on this page, at the top right corner, you will see this hexagon icon. This is the settings icon. Click on it. Inside settings, if you scroll down, then at the bottom, you will see the sign out option. Right above the sign out option, you will see switch accounts. Inside switch accounts, you will see the account that you are currently logged in, and you will see an option called add account. Tap on add account and add another account. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.